Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a 2-bedroom, 1-bath manufactured home at lot B-8 in Edison Mobile Estates. Edison Mobile Estates is a land lease community based in Edison, New Jersey. So as we first step into this house, there is still a tenant living here, but they're looking to sell this house. So we're just going to go ahead and give a tour. You'll see that this house has Whirlwind appliances. There's the fridge. I think the black and the white cabinets have a really great contrast. You can see there's a little countertop to the right of the fridge, and you've got the laminate countertop over here. Here's the oven, and it has a heating pad right underneath. You've got a lot of cabinetry in this kitchen, which I think is just great. You can store so much stuff. This is the second door, and here's a little view from the outside. This house comes equipped with outside water and electric. Here is the electrical panel here, and the thermostat. This is the bathroom. Got these really pretty overhead lights here, and I think that the flooring in this bathroom is really nice. This is a bathtub, and you've got some cabinetry behind the door as well. Here's the washer and dryer. This is the first bedroom. You've got the closets right there, and then in the corner you have the water heater. So here's the water heater. And now we'll take a look at the second bedroom. Get a view of the kitchen again. They have a little TV set up in the living room. This is the furnace, which is responsible for the central air conditioning and the forced hot air. And this is the second bedroom that was converted into an office. And right here you have the closet. If you're interested in one of our homes, please go to www.myhomeinedison.com. There you can fill out the pre-qualifying questions, which will get you on the path to owning one of these homes by getting updates about any of the new homes that we have listed or make available. Thank you.
Manufactured home community. We are located in a fabulous location right on Highway 1, just a mile away from Metuchen, New Jersey, close to the train stations, great school systems, close to the Parkway, close to Route 9, very close to 287. It's a really convenient location. It's one way in and one way out, so it's pretty secluded. It's private property, so We don't have any soliciting, and people really enjoy the privacy, even though we're in a great hub close to the airport, the Newark airport. Our office is in the front of the community as you drive in. We meet everybody by appointment only. So if you want to meet us, fill out the 15 questions or email us if you're interested. This is US Highway 1 or Route 1 in Edison. Our family is the Dolan family. We are Dolan Homes. We've been building manufactured homes in our 3 communities for over 40 years. On our website, dolanhomes.com, you'll see Edison, Harbor Crossings, and Carteret Mobile Park. Those are the 3 parks that we manage. Robert Dolan is the managing member. This community has been in the Dolan family since 1974. Here's Robert Dolan. He holds all the licenses to build and manufacture and install the manufactured homes. As our nephew and our son, we are a small family business. Husband, wife, nephew, son, and their little kids. We really pride ourselves on being 4 generations. And it's a joy when the little ones join us in the summertime. We have a fabulous crew with lots of experience, and it's all hands on deck when we're building one home at a time from our family to yours. We do all the utility connections, water, sewer, and electric, and the concrete foundation of all the houses. We have a lot of advantages to joining us. We are a land lease community, so the cost is very little because the actual homeowners do not pay the real estate. Edison Mobile Estates pays the taxes and thereby makes it much easier for homeowners to purchase homes. The median income price of a home in Edison is over $400,000, and our homes are from $148,000 and a little bit lower and a little bit higher. We're just so pleased to be part of the American dream of home ownership. Come join us, check out our website, and email us or fill out the 15 questions, and we'll get right back to you.